So I have these Wood Hobby stakes. Just do something different, you know? So let's hope that this works out. Trying to do this so I don't just break, even though these are double-sided nipper. So, okay, I think I found a solution. So I'm going to use this to cut the wood instead of using the Tamiya cutters. It'll work. So that actually worked out really well. Let's do the next two. So I may have found an easier way to do this, so let's try that out. That actually worked out really good. So yeah, perfect. Let's see if this works. It actually literally perfectly fits.